Thank you for staying with Republic. We continue to get you the latest from Thane, where Sena MLA's son, Vihang Sarnaik, has been brought to the ED office for interrogation. Remember, raids were conducted by the ED in 10 locations that include Mumbai and Thane. And this is in connection with a money laundering case, but details of the same are yet to be given. I want to cut across to my colleague Atul, who's joining us live from outside the ED office in Mumbai. Atul, we hear that ED officials concluded that raid at Vihang Sarnaik's residence, after which they detained him, and now he's been taken to the ED office for interrogation. What more can you tell us?
Well, Vihang has been brought over here. He has been taken to the 4th floor of this building of ED, where he is being interrogated by a team of elite officers of ED, and we can say that he is being confronted with the documents which has been seized by the ED officers from his house as well as from the other places. His brother was about to be detained, and there was possibilities that they both were about to be interrogated together, but as of now only Vihang has been brought over here. The ED officers have confirmed that they are interrogating him, and if possible they will come out and will make a statement about his arrest. As of now they are saying that he has been brought here to record his statement. He will be confronted with the few documents, with the few transactions which are malicious. The IT department has handed over a few information and documents to ED, following which a case of PMLA was made out by the ED, and raids were conducted this morning at 10 places by the Enforcement Directorate, and they have searched the documents regarding the transactions and few gazettes, and finally they were able to nab Nihab from his house, and finally he has been brought over here. We can only say that as of now his statement is being recorded. The ED officers are interrogating him. As of now no arrest has been mentioned. If possible the ED officer will come out and will give a statement to the media about his arrest.
Atul, they're getting us all the latest details from outside the ED office. Atul, thank you for joining us. And quickly recapping for our viewers, Vihang Sarnaik, who is now being grilled by the ED officials in the money laundering case, as sources have suggested to Republic that could be to the tune of 200 crore rupees. But of course, this is unconfirmed information and yet to be put out on record by the ED. We continue to track every single detail very closely and also get you more political reactions on the same. For the moment, a short commercial break. Also, a quick check of